Okay guys, before we start doing any modeling, we've got to get some good references for our minion. So I've created a folder on my desktop here, which I'll bring over, and I'm going to create a folder inside that, and I'm going to call it reference. Okay, like that. Okay, let's jump into Google now. Okay guys, in Google, I'm going to type in minion. And we're just going to go to the images, and we're just going to start to download some images that are going to be helpful. Now for this character, I'm going to do this little minion here. So something like this is a good sort of source of reference. I want to get some fairly high quality ones, so I'm going to grab this. I don't need to grab many. He's quite a simple character. So let's just have a look. So what I'm doing is I'm looking for nice side pictures so that I can see the side of the arms and these sort of things. And well, that's not a minion, that's a cartoon thing. There we go in there, that's quite a good one. So I'm going to just jump around. That's quite good because he's got his arm in the air. Let's grab that one, it's a bit better. And I want good, if I can get good material ones, that's quite good. It's a nice big image. I can see the image size there, so I know it's quite a big image. So we'll say that it's a little bit blurry though, but don't worry. Actually, let's let it finish. Let's go to view image here. There he is. And that's quite nice. So I'm going to do the shortened version of this character, although I quite like the long version there. No. Yeah, I don't know yet. Let's have a think about that. Just fancy doing something a little bit different to what I did before. Okay, and looks like a female one. Alright, and that's good. So I can see his arm there, which is very good for us. And if I got any of the back, it would be good. Gives me the size, give me the side of it, and actually gives me the inside of the teeth, which are quite wide. So let's just save that. And I'm really looking for some kind of back ones. Well, that's quite good there. Ah, there we go. That'll give me enough. Give me enough to go on. And there. And while I'm in here, I go across. You put G logo. This will bring up lots of logos. I'm looking for a black and white one. Something fairly good. That resolution should be perfectly fine. So I'm just going to save that. We'll need that for later. At the same time, I'm going to go in and put in here jeans texture. So I want a kind of jeans texture that's going to match our guy. So looking at the little character, I think that's quite nice. So I'll save that. So I'm just basically gathering reference here. Might just try that one. That's got something going on in the middle, so it's not going to be good for texturing. This is good for seams. Let's put that in there. This could be quite good for seams as well. It's more cartoony. That might do something. Let's save that. Just have a look at this. These are all Shutterstock. So there's a little bit. I quite like that as a material. I'm just going to put in rivet here, and I'm looking for a kind of front on rivet. That's pretty good. And some of these I'll be using texture, and other ones I'll be using to model things from. So I just want to put buttons now. So I'm kind of looking for this kind of button shape. They're quite nice. I don't want something, I don't want it too complex. I just want it to be a nice simple button. But you know what, I think we'll model it. I've got my reference. So once you're finished with that, you should have a fair bit of a reference going on there that you can jump. Now, just to let you know, I've got two monitors. I've got a monitor over this side, which I place this window in, and then I can constantly jump around and look at it inside the program. So I'm always referring to my reference. Reference is key for getting the character to look good. This is the sort of character we're going for, but we're going to go for one with one eye like this. Okay, now I might be grabbing more references as I go, but if you see in a download pack, you'll have all these assets that you can have a look at and download. So let's jump into ZBrush and start to model this guy out.